Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, you will learn Python operators. So let's start the video. What is operators? Operators are symbol. It is used to perform operation on operands. In below example, we are adding two numbers using plus operator. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Let's know briefly about the operator versus operands. Operands. It is the value on which the operator is applied. Consider the expression 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Here 4 and 5 are called operands and plus is operator. Next, types of operators in Python. First one is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator are used with numeric value to perform common mathematical operation. These are the operator plus, minus, star, division, modulo division, exponent, and floor division. Next operator is assignment operator. Assignment operator are used to assign the value to the variable. First equal to used to assign any value to the variable. Next plus equal to. This is used to add the value on a assigned variable. Of x is 5. Now we are using x plus equal to 3. That means this is similar to this. Okay. Means we already have the value of x 5. So here we can see that 5 and then 3. Okay. Then output will be 8. And similarly we can use minus equal to, star equal to, division equal to, multi-division equal to, floor division, and so on. Next one is comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two value. Suppose you have two value and you want to compare whether both are equal or not, then we can use equal to operator. Okay. Next, not equal to. If you want to change whether both value are equal or not, we can use not equal to. If you want to check greater than, then we can use greater than. For less than, we can use less than. If you want to check greater than equal to, then we can use this. If you want to check less than equal to, we can use this. Okay. Now next operator name is logical operator. Logical operators are used to combine the conditional statements. First, and if both these operand are true, then condition become true. Okay. Like A and B is true. Okay. Or second one is or. If any of two operands are not zero, okay, then condition become true. Okay. Next, not return reverse the result. Okay, like return false if the value is true. Okay. Next operator name is membership operator. First one is in return true if sequence with the specific value is present in the object. Okay. Second one is not in return true if a sequence with the specific value is not present in the object. Operator name is identity operator. Identity operators are used to compare the objects. First one is return true if both variable are the same object. Next one is not return true if both variable are not in the same object. Okay. Next and last one is bitwise operator. Bitwise operator are used to compare binary numbers. Okay, like and or x or not, left shift, right shift. So these are the operators in Python we can use as per needed in our code. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.